In this section, I'm going to have a quick look at image names and SEO. Now, as I think I've already mentioned, if you're going to upload an image, the first thing you do is you give that image an SEO friendly name. So instead of something like image 0284.jpg, if you use something like a plumber or something like that, you could have a file name for an image, something like fixing a leaking tap. And it's best not to have spaces, have hyphens. Don't use underscores. Google doesn't really like underscores. So as I say, the best possible name for, or the best possible convention for naming files is to use hyphens rather than spaces. Now, if you want to, you can always inspect any image on your website or indeed somebody else's website. So in something like Firefox, you can just right click over an image and you'll see a pop-up menu displayed. If you just click on where it says inspect element, as you can see in the example here, it will show you the name of the file. So in this case, the name of the file was David Murray SEO Perth Company.jpg, and again separated by dashes. If we go and have a look at this, so here I've got one of my websites displayed in Firefox. If I just move over this image and right click, I can go to where it says inspect element, and this is basically just highlighted the information about this particular picture, the one that I right clicked over. And there's a fair bit of information here. As you can see, there's the alt attribute, which is SEO Training Perth. If you look at the name and location of the file, it's called Cheltenham SEO Tutorials Training.jpg, and again it's separated by dashes. It also gives you things like the size of the file and stuff like that, you know, the width and the height and so on and so forth. So as I say, you can always extract information here about the image. So that's one way of just checking that your images, you know, do have alt tags and they do have, a really good SEO friendly file name.